Musaddiq from India.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Salaamullah.
Sheikh, there's a verse in the Quran which states that joking about the Quran and Sunnah takes a person out of the fold of Islam.
Okay.
So my friend shared an Islamic meme in which a cat is giving a khutbah. So is this insulting in such a way?
He is sharing a meme where a cat is giving a khutbah?
Yes.
First of all, the verse you're referring to is verse number 65 and 66 in chapter 9, Surah At-Tawbah. And this relates to 3 who were on an expedition with the Prophet ﷺ to Tabuk, and they made fun of the companions. May Allah be pleased with them. And most likely they were hypocrites. So the verses were revealed to expose them and to state that because they made fun of Allah Azza wa Jal, His signs or verses, and the Messenger ﷺ, they've nullified their iman and committed an act of disbelief or apostasy. Now, if someone makes fun of the khutbah, which is one of the rituals of Islam, or makes fun of the prayer, or makes fun of the adhan, this nullifies his Islam. Because Islam is based on revering and honoring the rituals of Islam. The moment you ridicule or insult or make fun or degrade any of that, it takes you out of the fold of Islam. Even if you were not intending it in the sense that I was merely having fun. I had no ill intention. So many people say this, not knowing that the verse exactly refers to this. Allah says, and if you were to ask them, they would say, إِنَّمَا كُنَّا نَخُوضُ وَنَلْعَبُ. We were just chit-chatting and fooling around. Allah says, أَبِاللَّهِ وَآيَاتِهِ وَرَسُولِهِ كُنْتُمْ تَسْتَهْزِئُونَ. Was it by Allah and His signs or verses and the Prophet, the Messenger ﷺ, you were making fun? Don't apologize. قَدْ كَفَرْتُمْ بَعْدَ إِيمَانِكُمْ. You have exited Islam after you were believers. So many people say these words and they joke. Parents may say words of kufr jokingly, and when the kids and the children say, Dad, this is kufr. Say, no, I was making fun. I was not No, it's too late, my friend. You've exited the fold of Islam. So Allah knows what's in my heart. Yeah, Allah knows. But as jurors, as judges, when we look at what you had said, this took you out of the fold of Islam, regardless of what you claim to be in your heart, because these 3 mentioned in the hadith I just mentioned, they came to the Prophet and said, we were just playing around. And yet this did not help them. They have exited the fold of Islam. So now, when we look at this meme, the cat is making a khutbah. Is this making fun of the khutbah? Personally, I don't think so. It's just making fun of the cat. So it's a different thing. Is it appropriate? Definitely not. Is it the last thing on earth that you could make fun of? The rituals of Islam? Yeah, you have the whole world for you to ridicule and make fun of. Avoid anything that is related to deen, to Islam, to Quran, to Allah, to the Messenger ﷺ, and you'll be safe. But the moment you put your foot in it, this is quicksand. You'll inevitably get pulled down, and may Allah protect us all.